This night hunter moves in total silence, making it one of nature's most efficient predators. The owl has specially designed feathers that reduce air turbulence, allowing it to fly almost noiselessly through the night. This gives it a huge advantage when hunting small animals in darkness, as prey cannot hear it approaching. Combined with extremely sharp hearing and vision, it can locate and capture targets with precision even in complete darkness. This silent flight makes it a ghost-like predator of the night skies. Subscribe for more insane stealth hunting facts and nocturnal animal secrets.